On this third lesson, we're going to talk about percent of change. So keep in mind, our formula for percent of change is not our part whole like we were talking about before. It is change over original equals percent over 100. So I want to talk you through a couple of these. There's a bar model here. We don't have to use that. I can talk you through it if you'd like. But we need to be paying attention for details here. So it says the height of the tree was 12. That is our original. So we know that that is going to go in our denominator. After a year, it increased by 25%. So here's our percentage. What is its height after a year? So we're going to have to do an extra step here. So first we need to find out how much it increased. How much did the tree grow? So we can write our percent equation. 12 times 25 equals 100x, just like we did in the previous lesson. 12 times 25, 10, 6, placeholder 4 and 2 is 300 equals 100 times x, and we're going to divide by 100. So we see that x is in fact 3. So the tree grew 3. That is not our final answer. This is how much it grew in 1 year. So then we need to take our 12 plus our 3. So the new height of the tree is in fact 50 feet. When we look at this second one, it says, beginning of July, Roland put $180 into his bank account. So again, this is our original. And after 2 months, the total in his account decreased. Ooh, that's not good. Decreased by 25%. So we're looking for the money that it went down. So this is money that it's going to go down in 2 months. So our percent equation is 180 times 25 equals 100x. And then again, we can work out 180 times 25, which actually comes out to be 135.00. We're going to divide that by 100, take off our zeros. So, oh, I'm sorry, this is not 135. That's what I get for trying to rush. We'll just work it out. 0.49, 0.16, 0.054. 4,500 divided by 100 is 45. Now the answer of what is left in his bank account is not 45. This 45 is the money that it went down. So now we need to do 180 minus 45. Be careful when you borrow. So now he only has $135 in his bank account. So I'm hoping this helps you go through some of those examples after watching the video, and then there will be a couple of practice problems on the Google Sheet. Let me know if you have any questions.